Good morning, dear children. Let me open the page number 32 in EVS textbook. Lesson number 5. Our first school, home. Our home is our first school. Okay. Members of home are our family. We learn so many things from our family, much before we learn from anywhere else. This is because we are so close to our family. Let us think about our family and talk about it. Okay. Let me tell you, if someone will ask you which was your first school, you might be tell it is kindergarten, or you will tell preschool, right? Or you will tell nursery. But let me ask you, before you go to preschool or you go to nursery or kindergarten, don't you know your name? Don't you know your family member's name? Of course you know, right? Because you learn so many things from your house, from your surroundings. Okay, so before you go to school or before you go to such a place to learn something, you already learn so many things from our surroundings as well as the home. Okay, that's why it's said that our first school is the home, right? We are observing so many things around us that take place and we are following the same. If you have any younger brother or sister, you might be have noticed that whatever we will do, that little fellows will do the same thing, right? Have you observed that? Yes, right? So they are following the same things as we are doing. Even if you are younger and if you have your elder brothers and sisters, then you will also do the same. Whatever they are doing, you will follow them, right? So we learn whatever the things we are learning very first time, that we learn from our house. Okay, now whoever lives with us in our home, they are called the family members, right? What they are called? Of course, it's family members. Alright, fine. This is the activity. Draw or paste a picture of your family. I don't mind if you will stick the picture, no problem. You might have attended your very close relatives' wedding or anything, any program. Then you might be have your family picture. You just stick it out and see. You can see the space given. You can stick over there. All right, fine. Let me go to the next page. What is written over here? Who all are there in your family? Who all are there, right? कौन कौन आपके फैमिली में रहता है? Write their names and how they are related to you. तो आपको उनके नेम लिखने, ओके? जितने भी लोग हैं आप उनके नेम लिखो इधर. And how they are related you. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे अपने पापा का नाम लिखते हो तो आप लिखोगे फादर एंड सन और डॉटर. Alright? Same way you have to write different family members and you have to write your relationship with that particular person. Alright? Now name of two. See here, write the relationship between any two members of your family, such as husband, wife, brother, sister, mother, daughter. Again you have to write some names over here, and here your name will come, right? I mean any other names also can come, but it should be from your family. And if you are writing, suppose one example is given, Ramesh Bhai and Rupal. Actually Ramesh Bhai is uncle of Rupal, right? So here it's mentioned uncle and niece. So same way, if you will write your mother name and your name over here, If you are a boy, then you will write here mother, son. Okay, if you are daughter, then you write mother, daughter. So same way you will have to write some names and the relationship. Think and tell. What is your nickname? Do you know what is the nickname? Actually, at our home, almost the people who loves us most, they will speak. They will call us by other names, right? The really good name. Suppose your name is Shivani, so they will call by the name Shivu, with the love, right? So the nickname is the name which people used to call those who loves you so much. They used to call uh, by some other names that let you feel the love, right? So that is called nickname. By what do your family members call you lovingly? तो आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स आपको प्यार से क्या कह के बुलाते हैं? That you have to write. How do you call your family members? आप कैसे अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को बुलाते हो? जैसे पापा है, चाचा है. पापा को आप कई तरह से बुला सकते हैं. पापा, डैडी, डैड, पप्पा, राइट? So you have to write that how do you call your family members. Look at the picture which is given on the next page. Two persons in the picture look similar. Okay. Who are looking similar? See? Yes, these and these and these and these. So can you tell why it seems similar? Find out. Okay. Is there any similarity between you and any other member of your family in the way you talk, walk, smile, or even in your looks? With whom and how? Uh, while you are behaving or while you are talking or while you are doing other things, you must listen before that આ બિલકુલ આના જેવી જ છે, આના જેવો છે, બધી હેબિટ્સ આવી જ છે, right? You heard might be. So you just find out from your family the people who might be you are similar to them while doing the things, right? Or either in looks also. So you have to write that names. And here how you are similar to that person, that you have to write. Let us now read about Salman's family. The elder members of Salman's family work as dhobis. Okay, so this picture is shown. In this picture, dhobis are shown. Actually, they are washing their clothes, and some helpers also they have. One is helping to drying the clothes, one is helping to washing the clothes, right? The members of the family lend a hand in washing, drying, and ironing of the clothes. Salman and his cousin Rafiq are also learning the work done by the family. तो यहाँ पे जो एक ही फैमिली के सारे मेंबर्स हैं वो लोग वॉशिंग, ड्राइंग और आयरनिंग के लिए साथ में काम करते हैं, राइट? तो सलमान और उसके कजिन रफीक है जिसका नाम, दे ऑल्सो लर्न टू help them. Okay, now remember and write. Is your family involved in any particular work? If yes, what? आपकी फैमिली कोई एक पर्टिकुलर काम में जुड़ी हुई है? If yes, then you have to write the name. In which all work do you help at home? તો ઘરે તમે કયા કામમાં હેલ્પ કરાવો છો? That work you have to write over here. Open the next page. Let's see. We learn many things from our family members. Salman and cousin Rafiq learned cycling from his uncle. Okay. Now think and answer. You also learn many things from your family. What and from whom? Has anyone learned anything from you?